I'm Ann Benson. The Needlepoint Basketweave Stitch is great for filling areas of canvas without much, if any, distortion. It gets its name from the distinctive pattern of the back threads that literally look woven. Here's a quick look at the overall stitch. It's worked in diagonal rows, upward and downward. On this diagram, the odd numbers show when the thread comes from back to front of the canvas, and the even numbers are when the thread goes from front to back of the canvas, resulting in a slanted surface stitch. As you'll see, this stitch has a wonderful natural harmony with monothread canvas. After you've attached your thread and made your first stitch, you'll be going either upward or downward, which will be determined by the position of the canvas threads. If the intersection's upper thread is horizontal, go upward. In this way, the back thread will also be horizontal, thereby minimizing distortion and keeping the front stitch neat. If the intersection has a vertical upper thread, then go downward, resulting in a vertical back thread. This is how the woven appearance of the back is formed. It's great for backgrounds, but you can also work basket weave into surprisingly small spaces. Do give it a try if you haven't already. This is Ann Benson. Thanks for joining me.